Hi friends, my name is Dr. Munira Qureshi. I am the founder and the director of Shifa Naturopathic Holistic Research Center. Today we are discussing about snoring. Snoring can be reduced through natural treatment only. What way? First, make sure that you reduce the congestion in your chest, your lung. How? You just take salinated water in your nose, maybe twice or thrice, and the best time is before your meals or after 3 hours after your meals. Second thing is that get involved in the practice of regular breathing, some sort of breathing exercise like bhastrika or anulom vilom also give you a considerable results. But if you tend to have a lot of stress in your life, then probably a yoga nidra also would give you a beneficial effect. Third and the foremost thing is make sure that you have a regular time of your sleep and awakeness. With this three advice and with the right herbal supplement, you can definitely not only reduce your snoring problem but definitely get rid of it in a period of 1 to 2 weeks completely. So I wish you to be living healthily forever and ever. Thank you so much.